Hello guys, this is Billy Post, and today we have got the Boomco Blaster. It's a pistol one, and it comes with these three blue and green dots on the top, green on the top, and yeah, and it's like a one shot. So you get your blaster, you get your bullet, you place it in, you reload by the top bit, and yeah, and it stops right here. You place your two bullets in. Yeah, it's very powerful and comes with this like shield bit. Shield, you can click on the bottom. It's shield, and now you're doing a Boomco battle. The bullets stick on. This gun is actually very powerful, and yeah, it's a good size for a pistol. But if I take this out, don't shoot. It's the safety one, so only when I put the dart in, it fires. So yeah, let's go fire it. So yeah, wait, gonna fire it into that room. Nope, wait, wrong dot. There's these black dots that go in it. Mine's a bit worn out, but it's very powerful. So I'm going to do it again. See, you saw how powerful that is. This gun is just sick. So, yeah, this is all I got for this blaster, and I'll do another one. See ya.